Now, as indicated, the opposition leader did follow through on his promise to bring legislation to the House to make changes to the Road Traffic Act and address the child seat requirement. However, the government used its majority to prevent Mark Golding from pushing the bill through the House. Following the sitting, Mr. Golding spoke with the media to outline the purpose of the draft bill, which was rejected.
First of all, it would amend the section in the Road Traffic Act that deals with child restraint systems by saying that the provisions that would penalize a driver by way of a fine, a ticketable fine, and demerit points would not apply to drivers who are operating a public passenger vehicle. The bill also would relieve from any criminal liability any driver since the 1st of February who had been ticketed under that provision, and remove any demerit points consequent on that ticketing.
Now, regarding changes to the regulation as outlined by Transport Minister Audley Shaw, Mr. Golding said a main issue has not been resolved.
That will not address the question of the tickets already issued to taxi operators and the fines and demerit points which they are facing from the enforcement of this particular law since February 1. So that remains an issue which is unresolved. I'm very disappointed that the government chose to use its majority in this way, because the bill was intended to solve that particular problem, and also I think would have been a signal to the taxi operators who are restive and are in fact withdrawing service in various parts of the country that Parliament is doing something about it.